Hi, my name is Courtney Crandon. This is my intro video. A little bit about me. I've been married for 3 years. We don't have any kids, but we have two dogs that we kind of treat like our kids and spoil a lot. I graduated from Washburn University in 2014. This is my third year of teaching, so I'm still a newbie. I teach in USD 259, which is in Wichita, Kansas, and it is the largest district, I believe, in Kansas. It is a very diverse district. As you can see down here, I have a little snapshot. There's 119 languages used, richly diverse student body. We do have a 73% graduation rate, which has gone up since 2010. I teach at Anderson Elementary, and I'm actually a PE teacher. My school has about 630 students, so we're a large school. And it's Title I. The school is in a low-income area. Students, I think we're about 98% free and reduced lunch, if not closer to 100. So we do a lot with helping our students and helping out the community. Reflection on how my school uses data, definitely achievement data, state testing, looking at those kinds of things to see where students need to improve. In 259, we actually 2 years ago went to a longer day. So we shortened our calendar by 15 days and added 30 minutes to the end of the school day. And they looked at the state test scores recently and decided that we needed to go back to the shorter days, longer calendar, because our test scores have significantly decreased throughout the whole district. I know at my school, and I know a lot of Title I schools, attendance is a big thing. Constantly looking at data, constantly looking at what we need to do to get students there. We do a lot of success and a lot of celebrations when people are getting attendance, because that's such a big thing. So we're constantly looking at the students' attendance. I know classroom teachers use exit slips, so as soon as they're done teaching lessons, the students take kind of a short little quiz before the students move on to the next lesson on the next day. They make sure all the students are on the same page. And then, again, being a Title I school, data about the community and what we need to do to help support students getting to school, maybe if they need clothes, food, just constantly looking at data to help our students grow. My personal knowledge as a PE teacher, we do grades, but it's more a lot of informal data by observations, just constantly looking around the room. If everyone's doing the skill correctly, then we move on, make it a little bit harder. Maybe if a lot of them aren't, then we kind of back down or go back a step, things like that. So just a lot of observation. And then my own personal data, I look at teacher evaluations to see what I can do to improve my teaching. And then my plan to enhance my current knowledge is definitely to continue to educate myself, taking classes like this, learn from my current administrator, asking questions, getting involved. Again, I'm a newer teacher, so just constantly getting my feet in where I can. And then also continue to learn from peers. I have a PE co-teacher. She's been teaching a lot longer than me, so I'm just constantly learning from her. Thanks.